How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can make the phase transition using the land circle and geometry dash. First things first, you want to head over to the build option. In here, select call, and then we have our land circle. This is going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just place the land circle onto your level editor, click edit object, and just make sure that the size is set to 0. And same thing with the fade option. Now, you can edit out the fade time if you want to, but in my case, I'm going to leave it at default. Make sure that it's selected to the player that you want to apply the effect to. And then, of course, you want to enable spawn trigger or touch trigger. Since I'm only testing this effect, I'll click on the touch trigger option. From there, we want to add another land circle. So this is where your transition or your effect will end. Now, in our case, let's go ahead and place it this way. And what you want to do with this one is to just leave it at 1 and the fade at 1. Same thing with the fade time. You can edit this out. Player 1, and once again, I'll select the touch trigger. And so if we play out the video or if we play out our level, it should look something like this. Now, you can customize this even more by editing out the easing if you want to. And of course, we also have the fade time right here if you want to make it faster. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.